Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the device is unlocked and above 10% charge so the system won't restrict changes. Once done, locate Settings. On Android, go to Notifications or Battery. On iPhone, go to Settings, right arrow Battery. You need to open the specific notification group that shows Battery Optimized Display rather than general menus. This first step targets the exact notification origin, so you can disable it without altering essential battery features, and it prevents temporary reappearance after a reboot. Now you will modify the notification behavior for the responsible app or channel. Tap the app or channel to view options, then choose Disable, Silence, or Block notifications depending on your OS. Make sure to toggle off any Show as Priority or Override Do Not Disturb options. These keep the banner persistent. You should also check app-level battery settings to prevent the app from re-triggering the optimized display notice. These steps remove the visual notice while keeping background battery rules intact. Finish by rebooting the device to confirm the notification is gone. A restart clears transient flags. If the banner returns, clear the app cache or reset app notification preferences in Settings, and then repeat the disable steps. As a key troubleshooting tip, update the app first, and if the issue persists, uninstall and reinstall it because buggy updates often reintroduce persistent alerts. Finally, make sure battery optimization system settings remain enabled if you want normal power savings to continue.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.